Hello and welcome to Imperfect Garden. My name is Robert, and as you can see we have the cover finally covering the metal structure of our polytunnel. This is a couple of days now since I did a video. I actually managed to get sick again, really sick, fever and everything in the whole weekend and the end of the work week last week. Never mind that. Yesterday, Sunday, I told my kids, yeah, I'm a little bit tired, but let's put on the cover first and see how it looks. So today I want to show you how I have secured the cover and also with the problems it already has. Because today when I come Monday when I come from work, we started to have wind again, of course. Sweden, it's always a bloody wind every day. And when I came here, like 4 o'clock today, this side had lifted the whole cover like 1 meter. So it was almost like it was going to be ripped off and then it would be that flow to the neighbors. So I just ran into the house, told my kids, come out, you need to help me. So we need to push down everything and we had to nail it with boards on the outside. I will show you how I did it. And I also want to show you the ludicrous simple fastening that come with the package. I have no idea how they mean to... They meant that we should secure everything with 4 straps, small, tiny lines and small metal pegs in the ground. This huge area with just 4 lines, it's stupid. So I will show you how it's fastened in the inside, and then we go out and we look at the outside, the original idea how it should work, and also what I have been doing with it to secure it. Because now it's actually much more secure. Even if we have wind, this will not move. The cover will stay put. So let's do the short sides first, and there too, and I will show you how it's connected to the metal structure. So come with me. Let's start and go to the corner of the corner. It's no corner really, I don't know called. So you see the plastic, it's just a reinforced PVC plastic. It's not very strong. I can't remember how many grams per square meter or whatever you call it that this should be able to resist when it comes to rain and snow. Never mind that. This is the only fastening. You have one badly tied, like it's like a cloth band only. You have one there and then you have one there. That is all on this side. And of course on this side you have one more and one more over there. That is all. 4 cloth bands is all that hold the cover to the metal structure. That is, I don't know what you call it. That is so simple. The same way on the other side too, of course. We have one there that has, we need to retie this. My kids helped me tying this, and as you can see, maybe I need to do it a little bit better. Same here. The door is not yet fastened. The door section you have in the middle here, of course I can't fasten it because we need to be able to roll it up, and to secure it we have these classical clicks to just roll this up and we can have it open. But of course this side we need to secure. This side is loose, and I will tomorrow fasten it on the outside. Let's go out and look on the outside, because we actually don't have so much wind now, so maybe I can shoot outside. Even the small wind we have right now, as you can see, the wind comes from the north and it wants to push this in. And it's completely loose and this will not work. So the thing I will do is take this, put like this, and have one board that I will nail shut and just keep this tight and only have the door part to be able to open it. To show you the incredible simple fastening system that comes original with this is these small green lines connected to a plastic ring here. A plastic. If it comes a storm, you think this will snap. It will snap immediately. And then you just go down and you fasten it, with a traditional, a tent, what do you call it, nail or peg. So of course today when I came, one of these corners had of course loosened and it's starting to lift on the other side. And this was a side that had a lift like 1 meter up. The whole cover had started moving. So the first thing I did was told the kids, tie it down, hold it. Then we take just a long piece of wood here, like garbage wood all the way, and we just took big nails and just tightly tighten it down, and then just nail it shut all the way. And this way now, this actually stays put. When we did it, we still had a strong wind, and this actually, it didn't move anymore. Even though we had a lot of wind coming in from the opening side, and a lot of wind coming in, but it did not move. The same thing I did on the backside too. I had the 2 boards here too. They look a little bit strange here because you remember it's 10-12 centimeters wider, because remember the structure is not 4 meters wide as they promised, it's 3 meters and 90 centimeters. And of course on this side too, we put on 2 pieces of wood too. I need to cut them, I did not have time to do that yet. But this will work. I'm pretty sure this will be a good structure. The only thing I want to do in the end is inside to add to the inner structure and stability with like a support in the roof all the way. The windows too is very simple. This is a ventilation window. It's not windows for you to look out to, of course. But I mean, it's just Velcro. You open it, you have again the green cloth bands. You just roll it up and tie it, and then you have ventilation. And this I will need, really. The door will be open, because that side, that is south, that is of course north. So we have the door on the north side. So we try to get cool air in if we get a really hot summer, which we probably get again. And of course, as long as I have not built the beds, the cultivation beds, you see, the structure is open, so right now the air is circulating a lot. But of course this will start to get covered. I will have boards on the inside that goes down to the soil to help, because I don't want to get rabbits and rats and try to keep the pests out. And of course we need to start digging in the inside. That will start maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. And of course, as I said, next step is start to dig up the soil, because we don't want to have the grass roots. I will not dig deep, because this is only polytunnel. I will add soil on top instead. But I want to take off as much as the grass roots as possible, because we don't want to have too much weeds growing in here. And then we will cover it with like a ground cloth that will keep the water going through, but will keep the like roots and weeds to start growing through it. But overall, this is a very nice project. The price of this was only 300 euros, so it's a very low price. And I can have a lot of vegetables. The height right now, up to there, is 230. On that end, it's 220. Yeah, and we have like 390 between the long sides. Yeah. I think we're finished for this video. We have the cover up, we can start working the inside, we can soon start taking out the plants that need to be hardened. We have had a little bit bad weather again, so I'm a little bit afraid to take them out, but soon we need to start taking them out again. And soon it's easy also when we can take them out for hardening and put them in here, because they will be more secure in here, because the wind is not as strong here as we have them outside. And they will be protected if it's rain or stuff like that. So yeah. That will be next step. No, next step is fix the ground first, and then start taking out the plants for hardening. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Give me comments if you want to, and watch my other videos. Have a very good Monday, and see you some other day. Goodbye.